Imagine a world where your creative visions are not limited by the physical medium, but enhanced by intelligent algorithms that understand your style and amplify your artistic voice. This is not the distant future. This is today's reality with AI and art. Stay tuned as we navigate through the tools, techniques, and tips that will not only boost your creativity but also empower you to monetize your art in ways you never thought possible. Greetings, visionary artists and curious creators. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey at the confluence of art and artificial intelligence. In this detailed guide, we will explore how AI is revolutionizing the art world, offering tools that extend your creative potential and open new pathways for monetization. Whether you're an amateur artist looking to explore digital techniques or a seasoned professional aiming to transform your art practice, this video will provide the knowledge and inspiration you need to thrive in the era of AI-generated art. Part 1. Unveiling the magic of AI in art. Let's dive into what AI-generated art really means. It's the synthesis of human creativity with computational power, where algorithms learn from vast collections of artwork to support and enhance your creative process. Tools like TensorFlow and GANs, generative adversarial networks, are at the forefront, turning simple sketches into detailed paintings or helping you experiment with surreal designs that push the boundaries of traditional art. We'll explore the history of AI in art, highlighting key innovations and how they have impacted creative expression globally. From the first algorithmic compositions to contemporary AI that collaborates with artists to create complex, thought-provoking pieces, understanding this evolution will inspire you to integrate AI into your own art. Part 2. Mastering AI art tools. Now let's get hands-on with the AI tools that are transforming the art scene. We will start with a tutorial on using Artbreeder, a platform that allows artists to blend and morph the genetic codes of images to create stunning new visuals. Watch as we manipulate features and integrate different artistic genes to produce a piece that's entirely unique and visually captivating. Next, we move to more sophisticated tools like DALL-E 2 and MidJourney, demonstrating their capabilities to generate artwork from textual prompts. This segment includes practical exercises where you'll learn to craft detailed prompts that produce precise results, refining your ability to communicate with AI creatively and effectively. Part 3. The artist's discipline and the role of AI. Creating art with AI is not just about technical skills, it's also about the artist's mindset. In this part, we discuss the importance of discipline, consistency, and continuous learning in mastering AI-generated art. We'll cover how to set realistic goals, maintain a productive routine, and stay inspired, even when facing creative blocks. 2. To motivate you further, we'll share stories of artists who have successfully integrated AI into their practice, highlighting their daily routines, challenges they've overcome, and how AI has become an indispensable part of their creative and commercial success. Part 4. Monetizing AI art. With a portfolio of AI-enhanced artwork, the next step is monetization. We delve into various strategies to sell your artwork online, from setting up an e-commerce gallery on platforms like Etsy and Saatchi Art, to entering the world of NFTs where digital art meets blockchain technology. We'll provide detailed strategies for pricing your work, marketing it to the right audience, and using social media to build a loyal following. Additionally, we explore licensing your AI-generated patterns and designs for commercial use, such as in fashion, interior design, and advertising. This segment offers a guide to negotiating contracts that protect your creative rights while providing sustainable revenue streams. Part 5. Future perspectives and ethical considerations. As we look to the future, it's important to consider the ethical implications of AI in art. We'll discuss topics such as originality, copyright, and the impact of AI on traditional artistic roles. 2. Engaging with these topics responsibly will ensure that you not only succeed commercially, but also contribute positively to the cultural dialogue around AI and creativity. Lastly, we explore emerging trends and technologies that could shape the future of AI art. From AI that can mimic any painting style, to systems that generate art responsive to environmental data, the possibilities are endless. 4. Staying informed and adaptable will be key to your ongoing success in this exciting field. Conclusion. We've covered a vast landscape today, from understanding AI in art to mastering tools and monetizing your creations. The journey of an AI-assisted artist is filled with continuous learning and boundless opportunities. Remember, the fusion of AI with your unique artistic vision can open up new realms of possibility, pushing not just your boundaries, but also those of the art world itself. Thank you for joining me on this journey through AI and art. If you're inspired to start your AI art adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's continue to push the boundaries of creativity together.